Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss on the Exploratory Data Analysis or EDA. This is a very crucial step in data science workflow. Let's have a look. Today I will work with the example dataset, that is house prediction, price prediction dataset. The entire tutorial I will work on. I will give you the example based on this dataset only. So first we have to know what is EDA or Exploratory Data Analysis. So most beginner think the EDA is just like making graphs. So the different type of graphs and some statistical output. This is wrong thing. EDA means understanding data before building ML models. Imagine you are a detective and you arrive at a crime scene. Do you immediately arrest someone? No, because first you will observe, investigate, ask some question, different type of people, gather evidence, then only you can take the actions, right? So same thing exactly actually in data science we do in EDA, exploratory data. Okay, so first we'll just one line discussion of 8-step journey of professional data comprehension. First one is understand the business problem. Very important. Like whenever you reach a crime, as I in the real life example, whenever you are investigating just investigate any crime, so you have to know the crime very well, right? Same thing. So understand the business problem is very crucial. Next, understand the data set. Very important. That means what data actually business uses. I mean business can collect, business have this, only those data set we have to understand very well. Then we need to check the data quality, because to analysis good quality of data is very important, because it will lead to poor investigation and your ML model will be poor. Next is understand the individual features. It's also very important. What is feature? Actually, definitely in data science, there there will be a target variable. I mean, there is a target point, data point. We have to analyze. Okay, and there will be some data points based on that data points. We have to analyze, predict the target data point. Okay, so these all data attributes which actually requires to analyze that output or target data, these are called the features, which have directly relationship with the target. Next is understand the relationships. Definitely, because in data set there will be lots of columns or features, not features, all of columns are available. You can say also features, because in data we will take only those features which are strongly related to the our target, and we can neglect those relationships which there is no mathematical relationship between target and features. So all are features, but we will take care only the features we are mathematically connected, okay, or or something have the major impact. If something decrease or increase, and your target point also vary. So to identify those important columns or features, we need to understand the relationship. Next is a discover business insight. Definitely, so we need to identify different types of for say house prediction. We need to know the whether city how city impact price, okay, or how bedrooms impact the price. This kind of thing. Based on these data insights, the business can decide their business uh, next step business goal. So next is the identify problems. Yeah, definitely. If there is a problem in a data set, we need to identify it. Now, final point is you prepare your data for machine learning after correcting or cleaning all the problems or whatever you have found through the EDA. Okay. So next is business and data set. So first step is a business understanding. Very important thing, as I said before. The most important step in data science. So without it, you do not know what to analyze, right? So here we have to question as a data science expert. We have to ask some question like, what are we predicting? Answer is house price. What factors affect it? Actually, this thing we need to find it out. Like for example, here in house prediction dataset, area, bedroom, bathroom location, age, these features or column may affect the house price. So this thing is actually needed, and then go to the dataset understanding. So to understand the dataset before analyzing is very important. Why? Numeric and text columns need different treatment. If there is a text column, a text data set, and the column having the text data, we need to transform to the numeric one, as I said in the last tutorial. So there are some sample method like save data, like pandas provided, save columns info. Save actually gives you the how many data rows and columns are present in the data. Columns give you the how many name of the columns available in dataset, and info is actually check the data types of the each feature row columns. As I said, because we have to uh, apply different type of uh, transformation for numeric and text column, because if you going to calculate the relationship or other statistical analysis, numeric data is important, necessary. On text string type of data, this function statistical function will not work. That's why it's a very crucial thing. Now data quality check. Yeah, we need to find out whether there's a missing value present in uh, data set. So this is the statement provided by Panda. We need to find a duplicate value. Then, if duplicate value present, then we have to manage the duplicate value, because if there's a duplicate value, then maybe model uh, bias to the particular data. That is very important. Now, univariate analysis. So here we take individual column and analysis to understand the each feature. Like we can use price describe. This statistical method is return the mean, median, max. This is your value. From this data, we can see that clearly. In the example header, there is a mean 50 lakh, median value is 45 lakh, but max value is 10 crore. Huge difference. So definitely we need to investigate. So for this reason, this statistical analysis is very important. Also, there is a plot like histogram. This is important to actually it gives the answer to the question like, are most house cheap? Are most house expensive? Okay, so this type of question answer we get from history plot. So before we move to the next slide, let me show you in the code as well. Here I use pandas event. Okay, so this is example dataset. Here in the dataset, area, bedroom, bathrooms, age, city, price. These columns are present, and let me run the each block. Then we load the data. Now panda dataset is created. Now run the step. As I said, step gives the number of rows and column. 3 rows present and 6 column present. 1, 2, 3, 3 rows and column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, it actually looks like this. Actually, work on this data set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 column and 3 rows. Okay. Now let me print the columns. Yeah, this method prints the columns present in our data set. Info actually gives the data types of each column. Area integer, bedroom integer, age integer, bathroom also integer, city string, price also integer. Okay, city string. Now check the if there is any null value present or not. No null. Okay. Also check the duplicate value if present. No duplicate present. Describe, as I said, I just only it is univariate analysis of the data set. We are analyze the price column. Here you can see how many value present. Mean is a mean. Actually, you can see it is a floating point representation of the data set. Okay, this means 3 means 3 lakh. Okay, and max value is 1.2 plus 7. That is it actually 12 lakh. Not 12 lakh, 12 crore, because 7 zero present. So that when it is 12 crore, max value is 12 crore. Okay. Also give the standard deviation, mean, max. So from here, as I said before, it actually highlight the uh, discrepancy or outlier, whatever, so that we can investigate whether the value is correct or not. As I said, history plots looks like this. From here we can see what what is the price range of price for most house uh, are. Like you can see from below 4 lakh most of the house. 4 lakhs, or let's just let me look. Yes, and max value is, sorry, and few house between 8 lakh to 8 lakh to 12 lakh. No, I something going wrong. Actually, it should be like 40 lakh. It's like 40 lakh and 80 lakhs to 12 crore. So actually, this plot gives you the, as I said before. So, are most house cheap? Are most house expensive? Actually, it indicate where most house cost lies, the range. Okay. Actually, it's showing the lakh, 30 lakh, 60 lakh. Most of them around 40 lakh, and some house between 80 lakhs to 12, 1 crore, 20 lakh. Okay. Now we are try to find relationship between two feature and target value. Here we are use a scatter plot to identify relationship between area and price. And here you can see if area increase, price also increase. So it's strongly related to each other, right? Actually, in the next slide, the outlier analysis. Oh, I missed the one thing is the outlier analysis. One of the most important in data is the find the outlier. Yeah, these are all actually this histogram, or you can see the descriptive statistics give you the hints the outlier. If there is an outlier is present. So if outlier is present, we have to big outlier is present. We have to normalize your data. Otherwise, the model is will be biased to the bigger one, because outlier actually affect the model, which use some algorithm like distance calculation. Okay, who use the gradient descent, those are affected. That's why we need to normalize those the value if there is a if they are outlier present, as I said shown you in the previous example. For example, linear regression, KNN, clustering, this algorithm or ML algorithm use the uh, distance calculations, also use a gradient descent. So outlier can distort the mean. Okay, so it will affect the model 10. So that's why normalization So we need to find out the outlier. Then we have to, if outlier is present, we have to normalize the data. Actually, like in transform to the data which value will be between 0 to 10 or 0 to 1. And the next is relationship to find the important features which actually affect the target. You can use scatter plot, like as I shown you here. Scatter plot for between area and price, and it's showing that area and price strongly related. Okay, actually scatter plot, do bigger house cost more? This question answer, this scatter plot gives answer. Then we can also use the correlation analysis. Here actually we can see all the numerical features together. If the values close to 1, positive or negative, that means they are highly related, either positive or negative, positively or negative. And if value close to 0, then that means there is a no very weak relationship. If the value is 0, that means there is no relationship. This is the heat map. You can see this row and x-axis and y-axis. In the both axes, all the columns are present. So here, from here we can relate the price. If I go price and age, how that related? Is the age row and price column. So let's see, minus 0.8 is close to minus 1. Minus actually indicates that if price increase, age in, sorry, actually they are go opposite side. But if age increase, price decrease. As is value close to minus 1, that is there, that means they are strongly related. That means it's a good feature. Then go to the bathrooms. It's a positive 0.89, close to 1, positive 1. That means if bathroom count increase, price also increase. Same go to the bathrooms, bedrooms, same thing. Areas, definitely if area increase, price also increase. So that means all these four are strongly related. Okay. Actually, in this example, I just we have used all the necessary columns. In the last video, where I created linear regression model, I have shown you how to which columns are or features are not recurrent. Okay. So from the heat map, we can easily uh, here heat map actually from the seaborne. Okay, very attractive and very easy to understand. And we have to categorically analyze, like which city has most houses. This insight also very important for the business. So we can use count plot. Also, we can find the relationship between city and price. We can use the box plot. Let's find a count plot. Here you can see count. Y is the count column and X is the city column. Here all the city GCT have the equal number because we have used only 3 rows, that's why it's like this. If I use more value, then properly you can understand. Now the box plot to show the relationship between city and price. You can see for city, so for Kolkata city the price is low, Mumbai city bigger price and more price than Kolkata, and for Bangalore is very high price. Okay. Now target variable analysis. So as in the previous analysis, we have identified the our features, candidate features. Okay, and the target is the price. Okay, everything resolved around the target. Okay, question: is price skewed? Does price have outliers? Is transformation needed? So this thing also very important for target variable. If price skewed, then we have to transform. I mean normalize. Then if outlier, then we need to actually outlier this to the skew. Okay, if I normalize it, then automatically the skewness will reduce. Transformation means actually if all outlier present, we have to transform the value to another scale. That make it so that all the values are in the same scale. Also, feature selection is very important. Which is actually affect the target as I shown above, and from the above example I have seen area, bedrooms, parking. Okay, here I have not taken the parking, the bathroom, but actually it's a generic example. For example, parking has low, bedrooms medium, and area is high, highly affect the target variable, I mean price. This is a generic example, not from our data set, just from just now. It's not, this is from a generic example. So from this, if we found this type of relationship, then what we just say inside that means area drives the house price. Bedroom also, but here area is highly affect the house price. Now feature engineering discovery is this is where many people get confused. Feature engineering means creating better feature from existing feature. It's also a very important thing. For example, suppose house A, area is 2000, bedrooms 2, okay, and house B, same area, bedroom 6. So, as I said, the house area is actually highly, I type the price, but here the bedroom count is very big difference, 2 and 6. Area is same, without bedroom we can say that just seeing the area we can say that their value almost same, but this is very vitally important. Room is very room count is very high compared to house A. That means obviously the house B should be price should be higher, right? So if we provide train our ML model with this dataset, it will be confusing. So that's why we have to create new feature that is called area per bedroom. Here you can see area per bedroom is 1000. Here is 333. Why? Two houses many both have area 2000, but two beds versus is very different quality. EDA helps discover such opportunities. To, to make understand the ML, this new feature is also important. Okay, so area per bedroom also affect the price. This is an example only. So in this way, you can create uh, new features as per your data set. Now the next point is data leakage. What is data leakage? This is a step that confuses most beginners. Actually, leakage means model accidentally gets the future value information. Like if you uh, in question paper, in question paper, if you also get the answer sheet, how it looks. That means student get of course 100%. That's data leakage. That means for data set here in data science, suppose data set contain area, bedrooms, final cell price. But what target value is the price? The problem is final sale price equivalent to price. That means equals to price, right? That means model already know the answer. This is cheating actually, right? You can say final sale price and sale price is almost same. So we should not keep any uh, uh, feature which actually equals to our target value. In dataset maybe uh, some duplicate column with different name may present. We need to sort it out and remove it. Okay, so that means professional data scientists don't submit graphs, they submit insight like data quality and outliers, like 10,000 houses and 15 features, parking missing in 5%, 25 250 duplicates found, luxury properties have above 10 crore. Strong predictors, area, location, bedroom, and pitching any opportunities like we can create area per bedroom, house age, these new features we can create. I recommend potential leakage in sales price column. Okay, you can handle outliers. Okay, impute parking values. So, so this type of report we can actually analysis give to the business from the above analysis. Or you can say after exploratory data analysis, data scientists give this kind of report. So the most important data is the beginner asks which chart should I make, and professional what question am I trying to answer. This is the difference. So again repeating, EDA actually, in EDA, visual understanding, missing value duplicates and duplicate finding, outlier detection, categorical analysis, feature engineering opportunity, dataset overview and dataset data types, Univariate analysis and histogram relationship and correlation analysis, target analysis, data leakage check. Okay? These are these steps are very important. So that's all for today. Thank you.